Well guys, we have a morning job to do before the sun comes over this house, and that is start prepping this back wall for siding. You can see that this has been left exposed for far too long. We want to get our house pretty. This house wrap is still functional, but it is probably years old by now. I don't even know how old this is. So we're going to re-wrap. We're going to get a rain screen on here, start the trim work, and just get it as close as we can to siding. But you can see, this is all the shade we have. The sun comes this way. So it's going to come over. We're going to work quick and just continue on this project in the back of our house where we're trying to make this all look better. We're not going to pull off the old house wrap, so I'm just going to neaten it up so it's flat. Oh!
What? Ew! Ew! Pick it out! Oh, look at it. Ooh. It has 7 legs. Come here, dude. Come here, dude. Ugh. Dude. Ew. I'm gonna chuck it in the bushes.
It like turns into a straight stick.
I thought it was a stick bug at first.
Okay. The house wrap is done on this side. I'm going to do some taping. It's good to seal the seams. Can you bring the house wrap back? While the house wrap is out, we're going to go ahead and do down here where we've missed previously. The wood looks pretty bad, but it's still solid. It's fine to use. Baby pieces.
No.
So right here we have this kind of weird section. And I think I'm going to change it because our plans have changed a little bit. So I have to cut these off. I'm going to cut here, cut here. All the house wrap is done, so now we're installing a rain screen. A rain screen is just basically an air gap that goes between your siding and the house sheathing, so that if any moisture ever got behind your siding, it would have a place to dry to and to drain from. You know, so your house siding isn't right up against the sheathing. So that's what we're using. The one we're using looks like this, and it's a cloth with a bunch of kind of stiff plastic woven mesh on the back, and it basically creates that air gap because it's thick. It's about a 1/4 inch thick, airy, bumpy plastic. So anyway, we're going to roll that over, get it tacked up with our cap stapler, and we will be ready to start the trim work.
So when you're looking for it, you're gonna say, "Where's Al?"
Yeah. So this rain screen has an overlap like this, and you start with that one on the bottom, but on the bottom row you tuck it under like that, and then you nail it in. And what that does is it closes up the bottom of the rain screen so that bugs can't get up inside of it. So in the second row, the flap still goes down, but we don't fold it. We just overlap it. Good. Can't reach. Okay, you can go here, squeeze between there and go to the corner. Should I start at the corner or this thing? Or are you gonna be able to hold it up here?
I can at least get it somewhat up here.
Awesome. Okay. That side's done. Let's get some under here. Even if bugs got under there, it's like,
Yeah.
we're going to start cutting all the trim for the back of the house. We have all of our wood cut, staged out, ready to paint, and that's what we're doing next, painting. while that's drying, I'm going to come over here and finish up a little strip down on this part where I need to put some sheathing right here to make it flush with this. Well, I just wrapped around the corner there, trying to get some house wrap up. So it looks like we're going to have a rain delay. We have to stop working. We're just getting everything cleaned up. Well guys, I don't know if the rain is going to let up, so we're going to call it quits for today. We got a lot done.
Yeah.
We were hoping to have the trim installed on the windows, corners, all that. It would look a lot better. But it's okay. We have them ready to go, and we can do that next time. So thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
Bye.